Men over 50. Let me ask you something. Are your mornings still as strong as they used to be? Or have things quietly changed? Not long ago, a 57-year-old man sat in front of me and said, "I don't feel like myself anymore. My energy is low. And my mornings are gone." And here's what surprised him: it wasn't just age. His body simply wasn't getting the support it needed overnight. Because most men don't realize this. What determines how you feel in the morning actually starts the night before. That's where this simple bedtime powder comes in. It works with your body while you sleep, helping support blood flow, circulation, and natural recovery. If you're looking for a natural, science-backed way to feel stronger and more confident again, stay with me. I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how to use it the right way. In fact, there's a good chance you already have it sitting in your kitchen. The powder is beetroot. For decades, it's been recognized for its ability to support healthy circulation and improve blood flow naturally. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, men who took beetroot before bed saw their nitric oxide levels rise by about 21%. That boost in nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and supports healthier morning vitality. I remember one of my patients, James, 62. He booked an appointment after months of feeling frustrated, telling me, "Mornings just aren't the same anymore." We started him on a simple routine with beetroot powder at night. 3 weeks later, he came back smiling and said, "Doc, I'm waking up feeling like myself again. I didn't think it was possible at my age." And it doesn't stop there. Beetroot also supports healthy blood pressure, boosts stamina, sharpens focus, improves digestion, aids liver detox, supports heart health, strengthens immunity, reduces inflammation, balances blood sugar, and even promotes healthier skin. All of these benefits come from the very same natural compounds that support healthy blood flow, which is why beetroot is truly one of the most versatile and science-backed superfoods for men over 50. As we go further, if you're still watching, that tells me you're serious about your health. If you're getting value so far, show your support by subscribing to the channel and turning on your notifications so you never miss out on practical tips that can make a real difference. Now, here's the hidden secret most men don't know about beetroot powder. It's not just about the beetroot itself, it's about when you take it. Using it at night allows your body's natural nitric oxide levels to rise while you sleep, when blood vessels repair and hormones reset. That's why timing is everything. Taking it before bed supercharges its benefits compared to taking it during the day. Here's how to prepare it. Mix 1 teaspoon, about 3 to 5 grams, of high-quality beetroot powder in a glass of warm water or unsweetened herbal tea. Stir it well and drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Avoid mixing it with sugary drinks or alcohol, as these can blunt its effects. For even better results, mix the beetroot powder with half a teaspoon of raw honey and a pinch of black pepper. The honey provides natural energy and antioxidants, while black pepper enhances the absorption of beneficial compounds, making the bedtime drink more potent. If you prefer a creamier option, blend it into warm almond milk. It's soothing and works perfectly as a bedtime tonic. And if you're on blood pressure medication, check with your healthcare provider first. What can you expect? Most men notice slightly better morning energy within the first 7 to 10 days. By the 3rd to 4th week, many report waking up with stronger morning vitality and improved stamina throughout the day. For others, especially those with long-standing circulation issues, it may take 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Remember, it's not an instant fix, it works by restoring your body's natural processes over time. Here's the truth, the powder can do a lot on its own, but when you combine it with a few simple habits in the evening, the results often come faster and feel more natural. Start with a short, relaxed walk after dinner. This gentle boost in circulation also helps the nutrients from the powder get to where they're needed most. It's not about intense exercise, just 10 or 15 minutes of movement to help your body move blood more efficiently. Next, cut back on late-night alcohol. Many men don't realize that even a small drink before bed can reduce blood vessel flexibility and interrupt the body's natural nighttime repair process. By easing off, you give your body the best chance to respond fully to the bedtime powder. And finally, spend a few minutes on slow, deep breathing before you turn in for the night. This simple practice lowers stress hormones, relaxes the blood vessels, and allows your system to do its best restorative work while you sleep. One of my patients, Samuel, 62, combined these 3 habits with the beetroot powder. Within just a few weeks, he not only noticed stronger morning response but also slept better and felt more energetic throughout the day. When you bring these small habits together with the powder, you're no longer chasing a quick fix. You're supporting your body's natural functions and laying a solid foundation for better circulation, better sleep, and better overall vitality. Gentlemen, remember, this isn't about chasing the man you were at 25. It's about reclaiming your vitality in a natural, sustainable way, one simple, consistent habit at a time. If you've tried other methods and felt disappointed, don't give up just yet. Give this bedtime routine an honest try and see how your body responds. I'd love to hear your story and your progress. Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're serious about staying strong, confident, and full of life well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond, make sure you subscribe. We share science-backed strategies designed specifically for men who want to age with power, not fear. All of these benefits come from the very same natural compounds that help open up blood vessels and improve circulation. The reason beetroot has become one of the most versatile and science-backed superfoods for men over 50. Now, here's the thing. If you're still here watching, it tells me you're serious about taking control of your health and not just looking for another quick fix. If you've found value so far, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That one simple click means you won't miss out on more science-backed tips designed to help you stay strong, vibrant, and confident as you age. Your support also helps us reach more men who need this information but may not even know where to start. And now, here's the part most men completely overlook: the simple tweak that unlocks the full power of beetroot powder and takes the results to another level. Because it's not just about taking it. It's about how and when you use it that really makes the difference.